Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Blanket Loom is probably one of the most versatile tools for knitters of all levels, enabling you to create beautiful, warm blankets with remarkable ease. Whether you're a seasoned knitter or just starting out, this loom simplifies the process, allowing you to produce cozy blankets quickly and efficiently. Join me as we explore the essential aspects of this fantastic tool, making your blanket making journey a delightful experience. Number 5. Frola 55 Afghan Loom Knitting Board Kit. This knitting board is perfect for making beautiful Afghans and blankets. It allows you to knit up to 55 inches wide in one piece. It's a great way to start your next knitting project. The loom's design allows for a wide weaving area. The removable pegs are spaced 5/8 inch apart, with 1 to 2 stitches equaling 1 inch. This makes it easy to create large projects. You can use all types of wool with this knitting board. Whether you prefer a specific yarn or have some leftover, this loom can handle it. It's versatile and easy to use. The loom is lightweight and easy to hold, featuring 138 pegs. Its S-shaped design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. It measures only 10 by 24 inches. This S-shaped knitting loom is great for knitters of all levels. It's a fun project to do with family, like mom and daughter. Get ready to enjoy your next knitting project. What we like. This loom's unique S-shaped design makes it super easy to handle, especially if you're new to knitting. It also offers a wide knitting width, perfect for blankets and Afghans. If you're looking for a loom that's both user-friendly and efficient, this is a great choice. What people say. Ordered this as a second loom for my mom. She makes a lot of blankets with bulky chenille. The loom was nice and sturdy, same number of pegs as her original, yet configured a bit wider, making the length slightly shorter and easier to handle heavy knitting. Also, feels less likely to break. It's better balanced. It came in a very nice package. It was very protected and easy to pull out and use right away. Number 4. National Geographic Kids Weaving Kit. Discover the joy of weaving with this all-in-one kit. It includes everything needed to get started, making it perfect for young artists to explore their creativity. This kit provides a sturdy wooden loom, yarn, and all the tools. It's designed to make weaving easy and fun for kids, allowing them to create exciting projects. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions. Kids can focus on learning new techniques and enjoy the process of weaving without any hassle. The kit offers 3 different projects to weave, starting with a rainbow, then a sunset, and finally a waterfall. As skills improve, they can challenge themselves with more complex designs. The sturdy wooden loom is reusable, and it includes plenty of yarn. This allows kids to continue weaving and create more projects with yarn from any craft store. National Geographic is proud to offer high-quality, hands-on science toys. This weaving kit is backed by exceptional service and a commitment to customer satisfaction. What we like. This kit provides everything your kids need to start weaving, including a sturdy wooden loom and yarn. The instructions are designed to be easy for kids to follow, making learning fun. If you are looking for a creative and educational activity for your children, this kit is perfect. What people say. This is a pretty good kit for teaching weaving. The first 2 projects gave excellent instructions for the pattern. Bought for my nephew, he loves to create crafts. This is perfect, easy to use. Number 3. Coopay Knitting Loom Set for Kids. This Coopay knitting loom set is perfect for beginners. It's fun and easy to learn, making you a successful knitter in no time. You can follow online videos or the instructions to create many fun yarn crafts. The set includes 3 looms in different colors, suitable for chunky yarn. The looms can be used for various projects. Use your imagination to create sofa cushions, scarves, blankets, and more. The long looms are made of high-quality ABS plastic with a smooth surface. There are no sharp edges to catch the yarn, making your knitting process comfortable. The pegs are firmly attached and work well. This set includes 3 knitting hooks, 6 plastic sewing needles, and 5 yarn balls. These tools make your work more effective. It's great for anyone who loves loom knitting for hours. These scarf looms are the best gift choice. It allows family and friends to experience the joy of handmade crafts. You can experience the happiness of making hats and scarves as gifts. What we like. This loom set is designed with beginners in mind, making it easy to learn and create. It allows you to make various projects, from scarves to blankets. If you like to start knitting and crochet, this set will help you to be a successful knitter. What people say. This is such fun and not just for kids. I have made shawls, scarves, and small throws. Highly recommend. With some help, he was able to knit a scarf, but he liked it so much he kept it. Made her a pot holder instead, huh? With a bit more assistance, his 4-year-old brother was also able to use it. Great for adults and children alike. Looms work well. Number 2. Wayion 55 Afghan Loom Knitting Kit, Blue-Pink. This knitting kit is perfect for making cozy Afghans and blankets. It allows you to create wide pieces in one go, making your projects easier and faster. With this loom, you can knit up to 55 inches wide in a single piece. This feature is great for large projects, saving you time and effort. The pegs are spaced 5/8 inch apart and are removable. This design allows for flexibility and customization in your knitting projects. You can use all types of wool with this knitting loom. Whether you prefer chunky yarn or fine wool, this loom can handle it all. The loom is lightweight and easy to hold, with 138 pegs. Its S-shaped design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. This knitting loom is great for knitters of all levels. It's perfect for knitting with family, like mom and daughter. What we like. This loom's unique S-shaped design makes it super easy to handle, especially if you're new to knitting. It also offers a wide knitting width, perfect for blankets and Afghans. If you're looking for a loom that's both user-friendly and efficient, this is a great choice. What people say. I am making a large throw blanket and have completed maybe 1/4 of it so far with absolutely no issues. I love it. It's super easy to use, and once I learned how to keep the tension on my yarn properly, it was smooth sailing. The shape of this loom keeps my project manageable since the blanket portion is folded in half, which makes it easy to maneuver. If you use the entirety of the loom for your project, it makes a big blanket. Number 1. Wayion Knitting Loom Set, DIY for Scarves, Blankets. Introducing the Wayion Knitting Loom Kit. This set is perfect for anyone looking to create beautiful scarves, hats, and blankets. It's a great way to get started with knitting. This kit includes 4 different sizes: small for children's scarves, medium for adult scarves, large for wider scarves, and extra large for blankets and shawls. It offers versatility for all your knitting needs. Made from durable ABS plastic, these looms are built to last. Each size is color-coded for easy identification. You can rely on it for many knitting projects. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including 4 looms, a yarn needle, a loom pick, and instructions. It has everything you need to create your first hat. The flexible design features insertable and removable pegs, allowing you to adjust to different yarn thicknesses and textures. It's easy to customize and create unique projects. These knitting looms are lightweight and easy to handle, making them ideal for beginners and experienced knitters alike. It's a fun and accessible craft for everyone. What we like. This set includes looms in multiple sizes, offering versatility for different projects. The looms are made from durable materials, ensuring they last. If you are looking for a loom set that can handle various projects, you should consider this one. What people say. I am loom knitting a baby blanket on the largest loom for a grandniece due in June. It is turning out great. The set gives you a nice range of size and easy to use. Well made and easy to use. I like the way the grooves fit the threading tool and how deep they are. It helped prevent me from pulling the yarn apart, resulting in a clean woven look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.